Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, I am very much pleased to address you in this splendid setting of Astana's Opera House, a perfect location to celebrate 30 years of diplomatic relations between the European Union and Kazakhstan. Today is an opportunity to reflect our bilateral relations that have progressed steadily since Kazakhstan's independence in 1991. Since then, we have forged a strong partnership based on mutual respect and trust. From the signing of our Partnership and Cooperation Agreement in 1995 to the entry in force of the Enhanced Partnership and Cooperation Agreement in 2020, our dynamic relations have come a long way. In the last 30 years, Kazakhstan has progressed on its path to democratization, and more recently, in the aftermath of the tragic events of January last year, Kazakhstan adopted important political, economic and social reforms. They aim for a more open, democratic and inclusive Kazakhstan. We at the European Union, we will continue to support Kazakhstan reforms and modernization efforts. And we appreciate Kazakhstan's commitment to a full and transparent investigation of the January 2022 events. Kazakhstan is a key strategic partner of the European Union. We remain firmly committed to the full implementation of our Partnership and Cooperation Agreement, which ranges from cooperation in trade and investment to human rights and the rule of law. Our partnership has strengthened our ability to deal with the many challenges we jointly face, such as climate change, the impact of the pandemic, and Russia's military invasion of Ukraine. In light of this invasion, we value Kazakhstan's firm commitment to international law and the principles of sovereignty and territorial integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, the European Union stands by the Republic of Kazakhstan and its citizens as a good friend, as a close partner, and I look forward to continue working with you. I recall warmly my visit to Kazakhstan last November, and I wish I could be there with you to celebrate tonight. Until we meet again, I wish you, to all of you, a very successful and enjoyable evening. Enjoy the music, and thank you very much for your attention.